Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel with another beautiful Olympiad math problem. It is given that 5 to power a plus 5 to power b equal 150, a plus b equal 5. This is our equation number 1. This is our equation number 2. We need to find the value for a and b which satisfy the equation number 1. From equation 2, I can rewrite the equation as b equal 5 minus a. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to substitute this value for equation 1. 5 to power a plus 5 to power b, which is equal 5 minus a, equal 150. Then 5 to the power a plus, I can rewrite this one as 5 to the power 5 divided by 5 to the power a according to the exponential rule, equal 150. According to the exponential rules, a to the power m divided by a to the power n equal to a to the power m minus n. I applied these rules to rewrite the equation. Now I will take 5 to the power a equal to x. Then I can rewrite the equation as x plus 5 to the power 5 divided by x equal 150. Now I am going to multiply this equation by x both sides. Then x times x plus x times 5 to the power 5 divided by x equal 150 times x. Then this x and this x going to be cancelled. X times x equal x square plus 5 to the power 5 equal 150 times x. We know that 5 to the power 5 equal 5 times 5, which is equal to 3125. Now x square plus 3125 equal 150 times x. Now I am going to take this 150 times x to left side, then it will become minus 150 times x. Then we have this nice quadratic equation. Now I am going to solve this quadratic equation. I am going to use the factorization method to solve this one. So I am going to find the factors of 3125. First of all, I can see it is divided by 5. Then 625 again divided by 5, 125 again divided by 5, now it's 25, again divided 5, now it's 5. So 3125 is equal to 5 times 5 times 5 times 5 times 5. So if we look at carefully about factors, we need to find two factors. When we multiply these two factors, it should be equal to 3125, and when we add these two factors, it should be equal to minus 150. So clearly it should be minus 25 and minus 125. Now I am going to rewrite the quadratic equation as follow: x to the power 2 minus 125 times x minus 25 times x plus 3125 is equal to 0. Now I am going to factorize the expression. Here x is the common factor. I'm going to take the x out. Then we will have x minus 125 in the brackets. Here minus 25 is the common factor. If I take minus 25 out, we will have x minus 125 in the bracket. For whole expression, x minus 125 is the common factor. I'm going to take this out. Then we will have x minus 125 times x minus 25 equals 0. X minus 125 equals 0, or x minus 25 equals 0. Then we will have x equal 125 or x equal 25. We have two cases. Now we consider each case separately. We know that x equal 5 to the power a. In first case, x equal 125, which is equal to 5 to the power a. So 125 equal 5 to the power 3. Now a is equal to 3 according to the exponential rules. Now we know that a plus b is equal to 5. So this is a simple equation. A is equal to 3, then b is equal to 2. So our final answers are a is equal to 3 and b is equal to 2. Similarly, when x is equal to 25, which is 5 to the power a is equal to 25, 25 is equal to 5 to the power 2. So according to the exponential rules, we can write a is equal to 2, then b will become 3. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please make a comment and hit the subscribe button.